Hey, what's up guys? My name is John Carlos. Welcome back to Legends of Grace. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to fold clothes. I don't exactly know why I personally love to fold clothes, but I can literally fold clothes for hours. I have accumulated a lot of clothes over the years. I very much enjoy taking the time out to fold them. Folding clothes is definitely something that I enjoy doing because it's the one thing that I can do that allows me to zone out completely. I'm not thinking about anything besides folding my clothes. It's definitely a way for me to channel any stress or anxiety, doubt, fear, worry, any negative emotion that I'm feeling at the time. If I just play some music and start folding clothes, I will definitely get over it. I really hope that you guys can find this video instructional and helpful. I know that we all have clothes. It's kind of a given that we need to fold them and take care of our clothes, so I hope that this helps you maintain your clothes in good shape. Also, the reason why I'm folding clothes today is because I'm going back to the States. I'm done here in Dominican Republic. I've been here since last August 2022. And today is May 31st, 2023. So I've been here for a couple months and I already packed, but I gotta do it over again because I'm trying to be a minimalist and I'm not very good at it. So here we go guys. I hope you really enjoy this video, and if you would be so kind to hit the like button, I highly encourage you to subscribe to our channel. It's looking good, we're growing, and thank you so much. Enjoy. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you on how to fold clothes today is what they're going to look like at the end. This is the store build, how you see your shirts in the stores when you go in to buy them. And this is the same idea. I get the pants the same size as the shirts. So I'm going to show you the pants, how I get it started. I'm going to open it up. So you guys, they're kind of wrinkled, you know, so I fold them in with the zipper inside of it, and then I grab it with this piece right here. If anybody knows this little part is called the pants, I'm pretty sure it has a name to it. Everything has a name these days. Let me know in the comments. So I hold it from the other end to the other end, and I put it flat on the table. I'll get that later. Put it flat on the table, flat in the model. I take that one part again that sticks out, and I fold it in. So the lengths are equal. And I fold it in, and then I take the bottom part and I fold it about, I want to say under 6 inches. Under 6 inches like that. I fold it up, then I hold it at that part that sticks out. I'll fold it again, kind of towards that part. So you see this rectangle building up, and then I fold it one last time. And there you go. With the pocket sticking out, I usually stash stuff like my passport or wallet or anything that you don't want running loose in your bag. You can stuff it in the pocket, and other side as well. So that's the pants and the shirt. I'm gonna undo it. Once again, I put the shirt, the front of the shirt facing down. Let me move this out the way real quick. I put it facing down. This shirt is inside out for some reason. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. The collar, I do the collar. So I get it inside out, and I try to line everything up. So I'll grab the sleeve and tilt it up, and the other end tilt it up at the same time, and just barely fold it. Just barely fold it so it looks like this. Just throw it across. I do this pretty quickly too, so I'm gonna try to slow down. Then I take the sleeve and I fold it to line it up with the edge. So it looks like this. This is how it looks, the sleeve. Okay, I'll line it up, do the same thing to the other side. Just barely fold it, tuck the sleeve in, and then again, just flip it over, boom, that's it. It doesn't have to be perfect, you know, because it's going to be in your luggage. No one's gonna be looking at it, but everybody's definitely impressed with my folding skills. They can't believe that I do my own laundry and that I fold my own clothes. It's astronomical to normal people. If you're watching YouTube, I consider you an above average person because I go to YouTube to learn how to do things, and you're going to YouTube to learn how to do things, so I congratulate you.